everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my vertical creative journal for the week beginning at the 20th of June through to the 26th of June. And I am going to be using the Cosmic Watercolor book from the Happy Planner. So let's take these off the discs and start planning. Okay, so as I have said before about my vertical creative journal, I like to fill it up with boxes and creative stickers and all sorts on here because I just journal little bits of what happened during the day and what's going on and stuff. So there's no real need to have boxes on specific days. I just pop stuff wherever I like. I do like to have a box or a long box down here for my gratitude list is one thing that I do like to do. So let us look through this absolutely gorgeous book. I just love all the colours in here. I just find it, yeah, so pretty. It's just pretty and calming and absolutely beautiful. Can't say it enough. Okay, so I'm just looking through to find a large box for my sidebar. Okay, nope. I know they do have them in here somewhere. I'm sure they do. Oops, uh-oh. Here they come. Watch out. The boys are back. They've been outside doing God knows what. Now they're coming in to bark. I've always got the good old timing of doing that. They always seem to know when I'm filming something. Okay, I can't find one, but that's okay. And my next go-to is to put in a box. And I actually might use one of these ones, but on its side. Sorry, I find it easier if I turn it around. Use one of these on its side here. Like so, and then I can pop some decorations down there, or even another box if I wanted to. Let's see what we've got. Put one of these in. Even the stars admire you. I like that. Let's pop that in. Now I might pop a little box down here, and I can put in one good thing that may have happened that week. Let's put this one in, it'll match. So like, you know, how I'm feeling that week or... Okay, cool. All right, so let's get to doing the rest of it. And I did see, where was it? Some really lovely big stickers, because this is where I can use my big stickers because I can use up as much room as I like. So I love to use the bigger stickers in here. Okay. Here they are. So I'm going to put one here, which says, I'll put it over this one, think big, start small. I really like that. So let's pop that one down there. And then this one that says, I'll take it off, sorry, you can't see. This one says, slow down and everything you are chasing will come and catch you. I'm going to pop that one there. And then we can layer some boxes around that as well. So let's, actually I want to use some of these ink splotches too. So I really, really like those. I might take a couple off. Depending on where I put my boxes, I can pop them under my boxes. So I'll just do that one and that one. Just give it a bit of, you know, bit of decorative flair. Okay, so I've used a big book. Okay, so we can use one of those. Actually, I keep sticking things to my table and I keep forgetting about my baking paper that I have. There we go. There we go, there we go. Now, let's go back. I don't know how many boxes I do have left in here. I do have a few by the look of it. All right. Like that one. And let's pull a couple of other ones out. Oh, I like that one today. I might do the Dreamer one as well. Okay, what else? They're pretty good. Let's see if there's any others that I would like to use. I've got those. I might pull a couple of these ones out too. Let's have this one. And this one. I just love having boxes to write in. I don't know about you guys, but I just think it's, yeah, I just love writing things in boxes. So I will write around the boxes and through the boxes and all sorts of stuff like that, but I just love having boxes to write in. Something about it. All right, so for now, let's use some of these up. So what I might do is I'm thinking that I might like to put, actually that one can go over here. Thinking we might pop like that down like that, like so. Then we can pop that. Oh. No rhyme or reason for what I'm doing here. I'm just playing around. That's what I love about doing my creative journal is I can just play around and do all sorts of things with it. Just have a bit of a, you know, whatever floats my boat, as some of the saying go. I don't know if I'll use that stick because I don't have anything else to sort of pop with it. So I'm going to pop that one up there. I'll pop that one there. And then I'm going to layer. Am I not going to layer it there? No. I do this all the time too, is think. All right, let's see what else we can find in here. I do like how that is looking. There are these little stars and that in here too that I do like. I might chuck some of those down too. Yep. Maybe we can do that like above the moon. So I like to have it a bit balanced on each side. So I like to have, you know, I know this is like sort of mirroring what I'm doing on each side, but I just like the aesthetics of it, how it looks like that. Let me just see if there's anything else. I love these things too. I'm wondering if we can pop a couple of these in. I like that. And then we might actually, I might grab another pink and blue. Thinking about layering these. They're really sticky on my fingers. Let's try and just pop that there. And then that one there. And then we pop that one there. And that one there. Okay, I kind of like that. I think that looks good. All right, what else can we pop in? Do we need another? Do we need more sayings or more splotches? I don't. Dreams don't work unless you do. I really like that. I'm going to pop that one up the top here. Okay, let's find one for down the bottom here. How about we do stay patient and trust your journey. I like that. It's going to go over my thing. I could pop it up here. Let me just get a little one. Actually, let's pop that back. Can't see what I'm doing either. I'm off. Just popping that back, and I'm going to put in just here. Be your own hero. I like that one. That's going to go over that as well. All right, shorter. We need a shorter one. Sparkle and shine. Pop it there. Okay, what else have we got? Put some of those in. These ones are quite, they're quite nice too. Might be a little bit big though, what we're looking for. All right, let's go back to the beginning and have another quick look. Actually, I don't mind taking that and putting that underneath. There, like so. And then I can take the little one and pop it. Now I want that to be smaller than that, so I'm going to just nip a bit off it. Just to give that a bit of colour. Lay that up like that. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. All right, next. We could put a couple more quotes on there, I think, on each page. Maybe another box. How about some little moons? I don't know. If they were clear, maybe. Sorry. Okay, keep looking, keep looking. No, got pretty much a box on most days, so that will be okay. I think we just put a couple of different quotes in kindness matters. I like that. We might pop that one there. And we might find one for here. I'm going to sparkle and shine might be enough. Ooh. Sparkle Sparkle and Shine. Okay, I'm kind of liking that. Need a weekend plans? No, I don't think so. I'm just wondering if we should put in any more boxes. Not here. I'll pop that one back in while I've got that page open. I'll get this one out if we can. No, that's going to look funny. No. No, I think we'll leave it at that. I can always add in more if I want to, depending on what I do during the week, whether I want to add another box in to do something, for something specific or something like that. So, yeah, I think that might be enough. And then I'll keep this book handy and I'll have a look during the week as I'm filling it out. And if I need to put more in, I'll put more in. And if not, well, it'll stay exactly as it is. So let's pop it back onto the discs. Oops. Come on. Okay. No, that looks good. Very happy with that. All right. So if you've enjoyed this plan with me, can you give me a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye for now.